everyone, we are here again with Harriet.
Hey guys!
Today we're going to exercise this door. It's an old varnish door. We're going to take this old fitting from a magnet, sand with a Mirka. Maybe Harriet explain a little bit more why we're using a thicker pad.
So we're going to use the interface pad on the Mirka just so you can get into all of these grooves of it. It just gives it that extra padding. And then we're going to use 120 to sand the door.
Pretty cool. Then we're going to spray with the Ultra. It's a water-based airless sprayer, and also it's a Cordless from Graco. And yeah, as we mentioned, Smart Prime will go on one side and Dulux will go on another side. So we'll test which one is performance better. Thank you, everyone.
Sounds good.
Okay, guys. First step, we're going to sand everything. Harriet, thank you.
It sound right, boys.
Hi guys, so we're done sanding. Thank you, Harriet.
All good?
Next steps, we're going to spray this Ultra. It's a water-based Graco Cordless and airless all together. We're going to spray Dulux on one side and Smart Prime on another side, and we'll see how it performs. Which tip we picked, Harriet?
312.
Cool. It's a 6 inches on 25 centimeters from a distance.
Fine finish.
Fine finish, FFLP, and it's 1-2. It's a good pick for this amount of paint that you're going to go. Thank you, everyone.
It sound right, boys.
Guys, so basically now we have Ultra. We put Smart Prime in. Remember, with the handhelds, you need to prime them. So you need to open this valve, press until you see the paint coming out, like this. That's it. Close the valve. Go into the priming mode. Should be enough. Then you just turn this position, turn this knob into the position spray. That's it. Harriet, thank you. It was a professional line, like really happy. Dulux product. Tomorrow we're going to have a bit of a test. Thank you.